Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Ring app to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Ring app, and once you open it, here what you need to do is log into your account as well. Now once you have logged into your account, in order to transfer money to a bank, what you need to do is simply tap on the option that says bank transfer, and once you tap on bank transfer, here you'll be sent to select the bank option. Now if you haven't added a bank, all you gotta do is just simply tap on add another bank and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to add your bank. And once you have done with that process, your bank will be displayed right here. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the bank that you want, and once you have done with that, here you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now here what you need to do is simply enter in the amount that you want to transfer. Now once you have entered in the amount, what you need to do is just simply tap on the pay now option, and once you tap on pay now, here you will be asked your location permission required. All you gotta do is just simply tap on allow, and once you do that, it will ask once again to tap on the pay now option. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to the billing cycle in order to confirm your transfer. All you gotta do is simply tap on I accept, and once you do that, here the next thing is to enter in your 6 transaction security pin to confirm your payment. Simply enter the 4-digit code and then tap on confirm, and once you do that, you'll be seeing something like this: hang on, transfer is in progress. And once it's complete, you'll be getting payment successful. And then that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.